Aw, guys, I guess we probably remember about the three women trying to sue and Tate out of nowhere and are basically trying to get him arrested in the UK for the crimes he hasn't been punished for that were committed back in 2013. Some stuff like that I don't even remember. But as soon as those news came out, Andrew Tate tweeted saying investigated and followed for over a year across the planet. Subject any normal man to this, see what happens. No charges, zero sexual perversions or immoralities. My detractors are too hateful to realize I am cleaner than 99.9% of the people you walk past in the mall. Now more proof that this is another one of those attacks on Andrew Tate is here. The vendetta and attempts to cancel Cooperate are organized in such a manner that all the media outlets pose the same article at the same time. The MSM is now merely a tool to silence and censor opposition, and as you can see, for media outlets basically posted the same thing at the complete same time. I think this is absolutely hilarious, and this is absolute proof. These are coordinated attacks, and it has nothing to do with Tate actually doing anything. Also, there was a statement from his lawyers that says by choosing to address the press first, before any legal action had been taken, the woman in this potential case proved beyond reasonable doubt that they are not seeking accountability or justice, but publicity and monetary compensation. And that's what I also think is happening right here. The spokesperson for Tate actually surprisingly added that Andrew has been previously accused of similar fabricated crimes, but that they have been dismissed, bringing up more accusations even for the purpose of pointing out those were dismissed. The statement further reads, Andrew Tate's team are determined to clear his name and restore his reputation, and will take immediate and defensive legal actions against defamation, slander, and perverting the course of justice. They also stressed that they strongly deny the allegations, and Tate added that the three women wanted money because I fired them. Now I honestly can believe that, and I don't feel like anybody is believing these women because there's absolutely no evidence